When was the last time you truly savored your coffee? Most of us gulp down our cup of joe in a hurry, often on the run, barely noticing the taste. It's a quick caffeine fix, a routine part of our fast-paced lives. We might appreciate the jolt it gives us, but are we really experiencing the richness, the depth, the artistry that goes into each cup? But have you ever wondered how different, how much more enriching it could be to enjoy your coffee in the embrace of nature? Picture this. You're sitting by a field of lush green grass, a cup of freshly brewed coffee in your hand. Enveloped in the symphony of nature, you're privy to the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft murmur of a nearby stream. It's a serene backdrop that sets the stage for your coffee ritual. The air is heady with the scent of earth, a canvas of natural fragrances infused with the inviting aroma of your coffee. It's an olfactory journey that ties you to the world around you, grounding you in the present moment. The visual feast before you is a calming balm for the soul. The vibrant grass, the splash of color from wildflowers, and the playful dance of animals nearby. All of it a testament to the life that thrives in the heart of nature. Above, the sky is a masterpiece of blues and whites, a reminder of the vastness of our world and the endless possibilities it holds. Now, consider the taste of your coffee. Dark and robust or smooth and mellow, its flavor harmonizes with the natural symphony around you. It's not just about the taste, but the ritual of it all. The act of slowing down, savoring each sip, and immersing yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. It's a tactile experience that connects you to the here and now, inviting mindfulness and tranquility. The caffeine in the coffee is a gentle whisper of energy, invigorating you without overwhelming your senses. It's a nudge from nature, encouraging you to explore, to wander through the fields, to observe the world with fresh, inspired eyes. It's a moment of connection, of appreciation, and of understanding. As you sip your coffee, you're not just tasting a beverage, you're immersing yourself in an experience. You're partaking in a communion with nature, celebrating your senses, and acknowledging the beauty that surrounds you every day. It's a moment to pause, to reflect, and to be grateful for the simple joys that make life truly wonderful. The caffeine in your coffee does more than just wake you up. It's an elixir that stirs your senses, making you more attuned to the world around you. As you sit in the midst of nature, cradling a cup of coffee, the caffeine works its magic, gently invigorating your body and mind. This invigoration is subtle. It isn't a jolt, but rather a gentle awakening. It allows you to appreciate the beauty of nature with a renewed sense of vigor. You notice the dew on the grass, the intricate patterns on a leaf, the rhythmic dance of the wind. It's as if the world becomes more vibrant, more alive, and you're invited to partake in this grand spectacle. But the caffeine doesn't just enhance your perception, it also encourages exploration. With a cup of coffee as your companion, you feel inspired to wander through the fields, to follow the meandering path of a stream, to climb a hill for a better view. You become an explorer, seeking out the treasures that nature has to offer. This exploration isn't just physical, it's also an exploration of the mind. It's about curiosity, about asking questions, about marveling at the wonder of life. The caffeine in your coffee becomes a catalyst for this exploration, providing the energy and focus needed to fully engage with the world. So the next time you sip your coffee amidst nature, remember that it's more than just a beverage. It's like a gentle nudge from nature, encouraging you to explore, to wander through the fields, to observe the intricacies of life around you. Drinking coffee in nature is more than just a beverage break. It's an immersive, multi-sensory experience that goes beyond the simple act of sipping your favorite brew. As you sit amidst the lush greens, under the vast skies, you're not just tasting your coffee. You're feeling the warmth of the sun, hearing the rustle of leaves, seeing the vibrant colors of life around you, and smelling the earthy aroma of nature itself. This experience serves as a gentle reminder to slow down and savor the small pleasures that life has to offer. It's about taking a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us every day, to be present and to be mindful. The caffeine in coffee also provides a gentle nudge, a boost of energy that invigorates you without overwhelming your senses, encouraging exploration and appreciation of the intricate world around you. So next time you brew a cup, consider stepping outside. You might discover a whole new way to enjoy your coffee.